Hi, my name is Samuel Kramerfiely. Today, I will be talking about the benefits of using fMRI technology to study autism. Technologies that have been developed in the last 25 years have allowed scientists, engineers, and physicians to make significant advancements in our understanding of the brain and the way in which it functions. Questions that have been asked by religious leaders, philosophers, and history's greatest minds are now being answered using these tools. Questions such as, why do we think the way we do? What makes us act as we do? How do we communicate? How do we interpret behavior? And many more. One such technology that is responsible for many of these great advancements is functional magnetic resonance imaging, or the fMRI. An fMRI machine, pictured here, measures an individual's brain activity with high precision. The data from the individual is then compared against either the population norm or a control group for analysis. Unlike in the past, where all knowledge of the brain came from inference, intuition, or crude experimentation, we are now able to use scientific data to find evidence and trends to support or refute theories. The fMRI has been particularly successful in the study of high-functioning autism, or HFA. Not only have studies that utilize fMRI technology been useful to the field of autism, but also, many times, to understanding of the brain in general. Some of you may not be familiar with what is implied by high-functioning autism. Albert Einstein is believed to have had a form of HFA known as Asperger's syndrome. This quote does a good job of describing the struggle that he and others like him endure. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. Albert Einstein. Let's look at a few examples to illustrate the important role fMRI studies of autism have played. Social intelligence is an important concept when discussing HFA. It is described as our ability to interpret and react to social cues and to infer a person's thoughts based on their behavior. Scientists believe that having general intelligence does not imply that one has social intelligence. This seems to be evident in disorders such as the Asperger's syndrome, where individuals excel in certain areas of general intelligence, but are lacking in social skills. A study was conducted in 1999 to test the concept of social intelligence, and specifically the social brain theory. The social brain theory is described as a network of regions in the brain, and that network of regions is claimed to be responsible for our social intelligence. By comparing fMRI data from a subject group with HFA to a subject group without HFA, a control group, the results of this study confirmed both the social brain theory and the concept of general intelligence. Another generally accepted symptom of high-functioning autism is a lack of emotional awareness. This means that individuals with autism have difficulty attributing emotional states to both themselves and to others. The result of a study that examined this lack of emotional awareness in HFA indicated another trend that proves important beyond the study of autism. fMRI data analysis indicated that whether or not the subject had HFA, there was a correlation between the inability to reflect upon personal emotions and inability to interpret the emotions of others. Results also indicated that, regardless of self-reported emotional awareness, subjects with autism showed a lack of activation in the mentalizing region of the brain. This indicates a struggle to form an image of self. What lies ahead? There's still much to learn about autism, despite the recent progress that has been made in the field of study. fMRI technology still holds many more discoveries that can be made. In the future, there will be further advancements in technology for studying the brain that will allow us to dive even deeper into our understanding of its function. And finally, as many timeless questions are solved and answered, chances are that just as many seemingly inexplicable phenomena will arise. Thank you.